All right, Nickel, Northwest Sports Show, 13th day of March 2025. Now we're getting into the fun stuff. We're gonna get into all kinds of lures here. They're crazy. These are not. Some of these aren't cheap. They're crazy. 24 bucks. But as you can see, crazy stuff here. My friend says that we're crazy daisy. Look at those suckers. Good ass, big ass hooks. Look at that stuff. So a lot of people come here and spend a lot of money on this stuff. They don't use it. And one time I was fishing, I triggered Fat Boy. God rest his soul. Excuse me.
That wasn't me.
Oh my God. Look at these things. What are these ones for?
What's that?
What are these? Muskie?
Yep, musky fishing.
Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my. So I figured the big dog, the elusive muskie, guys. People rod and reels. I'm a Nancy boy. I like to push down ones. They don't make zip goes like they used to. They don't make them like they used to. Oh, you got candy here. Uh-oh, free food.
Yeah, want to try a Famous Dave's hot sweet pickle chip?
Is it hot or what?
No, we're passive aggressively hot. Here.
Okay. Ah.
Mm-hmm. Try a signature product. This is our pickle chip.
Oh.
Like Famous Dave's hot sweet pickle.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Here's the scamp. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. These scampers, too short, but still they're nice. They have their. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Kind of cool. Yep. I had in my videos at one time on YouTube.
Yes, you did.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. So here it is, scamp.
So if you get the
Minnesota made, my friend.
bathroom and the 13-footer, it illuminates.
It was really good. They got some nice views on there. It was pretty fun. They have all kinds of different ones. They're made up there by Brainerd, Bacchus, Minnesota.
They're not for everybody. I don't fit in them real well.
I can somewhat fit in these, but they're small, but they're kind of cool. Yep. There they are. The old-fashioned scamp. They're cool. It's back in my archives. They put it up. They had a lot of views on it. So you can tell they've got solar. You've got golf carts here. I thought it was kind of spicy. Golf carts. Trapper's Point. Young Wilderness Camp. There you go. Look at those big bad boys.
Yep. Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I like that.
Look at those big dogs.
Yep. I like that.
Look at that. That's where they're at, man. You guys want some good fish? Walleye, lake trout, northern?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Nice. Whitetails. Hello, how's it going? How's the hunting these days?
It's going. It's going for sure.
You've had some good luck.
Good, all right.
You ever hunted in Missouri?
What?
You ever hunted in Missouri?
No, I haven't.
We're a small outfit.
Okay.
We do basically tiny camps compared to some people.
Okay.
There'll be 400 to 600 hunters in camp at any one.
Okay.
We're in Northwest Missouri,
Okay.
and if we can help you out, we'd love to.
Okay, no problem.
You run around filming for here?
Yeah, I'm filming for my YouTube channel.
Oh, gotcha. What is it? We'll check it out.
Cowpoint Adventures.
Cowpoint Adventures.
Yeah.
You a deer hunter?
What?
Is that what you do? Is hunt?
No, I have a friend of mine that hunts real well. He does it the old-fashioned way, Native American bow and arrow.
Yeah.
He does the old-fashioned way. I've got almost about 3,000 acres of family up by Randall.
Oh, there you go.
So I always have to kick people off because they go there and says no trespassing.
Yeah.
So it's like,
We'll check out your YouTube channel.
okay, it's just I do a variety of stuff. So I also podcast too as well. So
Well, it's nice meeting you.
all right.
How are you doing?
How's business?
Nice to get out.
Alaska, I love Alaska. Someday I want to go there. Not on a cruise, but I know I want to go there someday and go fishing. I want to go panning for gold. Do that a little bit of everything.
All things Alaska.
All right, there's Bear Cove, you guys retreat. Yep, one of the best 50th of the state. It's our little Canada.
Yeah.
We got another resort, those big ass fish. Here's one right here. Oh, there's Lindell's up there.
That's optional.
You see Lindell up there. That's up there. I've seen before. Oop. That's okay. Post. You can get. There's a lot of. You can book your own. My next neighbor has a place up in Canada. They go up there every summer and they come back. So yeah, you can tell. Camp Lake, you got all kinds of stuff here. Look at those fish. Oh my goodness. Homer Lakes area. We got candy. More candy. How's the charter business in Michigan? Oh, look at all these fish, you guys. Goodness. Whew. Ooh. $700, that's worth it. Pay to play, man. Nice. Oof. There it is. $7 for each for 6 person. That's what it's per person.
There's a lot of different packages.
Oh, I understand. Nice. You guys want to spend some money? There you go. You got Life of a Resort over there. You got, if you want, golf carts, your buddies, Coors Light. The outdoors. More Canuck stuff. You know, we all know the Hunch wants the 51st state. It's not going to happen. So it's not going to happen, Hunch. Sorry. I know you think it is, but by now this comes out, we'll see what happens. So. Bust out another 1,000. What that means. Mm-hmm. Nice boat. Nice truck. Excuse me. Look at that. Wraps that will get you noticed. That's what they do in NASCAR. Just wrap stuff so it's a lot easier to get that stuff done. They go from race to race. They can wrap it. That's why Stewart, the killer, got out of NASCAR. Costs a lot of money. So you got a bunch of stuff here, and can coolers if you want. We have all kinds of stuff. Mm-hmm. Knives. Gotta like that.
We're cutting deals.
Rambo. You drew first blood. I got one of those original knives that have that. I bought a long time ago.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's annoying.
Chop your head off with that bad boy. Woo. Love it, man.
They look better in your kitchen.
I know, I bet they would. That's up to the warden for that, not me. We got all kinds of stuff here. Food, left and right. True honey tea. Oh my goodness. You can see, you can buy your rod and reel here, man. You can buy all kinds of stuff. Here's a skidoo. Free samples, I love free samples. Oh, that's nice. I'll take cheddar, please.
Want to try cheddar?
Yeah. Thanks, big man. Appreciate it.
You got it, brother.
Mmm.
Hot cheddar?
Mm.
Try it or? Pretty good.
You might buy some. Probably come back and get some.
You got it, brother.
Mm. Good stuff. It's my YouTube channel. So you'll be on there. So there it is, you guys. Paradise popcorn. That's right. Mm-hmm. Man, Win Blue, keep up the good work, you guys. Do not sit. Please don't. Okay. Look at that. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Oh. Look at that, huh? Oh my goodness. As you can kind of see, can't hurt Beck. What do you guys think? Geez, this is a beautiful one. Anyways, we'll end this one on top of the world, all right? So, that gourmet was good.